There are evolving tactical behavior from digital threat actors as they opt for different types of malicious attacks compared to years past. The IoT malware with plus 37% and encrypted threats with plus 22% is also on the rise. The SonicWall mid-year cyber threat report uncovers. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Cyber criminals are diversifying and expanding their skill sets to attack critical infrastructure, making the threat landscape even more complex and forcing organizations to consider their security needs. Despite the decline in global ransomware attempts, that is with minus 41%, a variety of other attacks have trended up globally, including cryptojacking with plus 399%, IoT malware with plus 37%, and encrypted threats with plus 22%. The overall intrusion attempts were up, led by the highest year on record for global cryptojacking volume recorded by SonicWall as threat actors shifted away from traditional ransomware attacks in favor of the stealthier means of malicious activities. The data suggests increased law enforcement activity, heavy sanctions, and victims' refusal to pay ransom demands have alerted criminal conduct, and threat actors are targeting other means of revenue. The seemingly endless digital assault on enterprises, governments, and global citizens is intensifying, and the threat landscape continues to expand, said experts. Threat actors are relentless, and the data indicates they are more opportunistic than ever, targeting schools, state and local governments, and retail organizations at unprecedented rates. The 2023 SonicWall Mid-Year Cyber Threat Report helps us better understand the mindset and criminal behavior that will in turn help SonicWall create the right countermeasures and help organizations protect themselves by being better prepared and build stronger defenses against malicious activities. The report shows that while India saw a lesser rise in crypto attacks, there has been a huge growth in ransomware and IoT attacks overall. These rises in cyber attacks pose great risks to India's economic ambitions, with industries from manufacturing to pharmaceuticals becoming more vulnerable as they continue to digitize operations. SonicWall shares critical cyber data that depicts the dramatic rise in the number of attacks combined with progressively complex attack methods that are designed to breach and damage organizations. Moving forward, all organizations must be vigilant in defending their infrastructure from digital threats and finding new ways to expand or replacing traditional security systems and provide rapid remediation services when necessary. Let's look into today's headlines. Center asked to mandate Apple Google to share app's origin developer's identity. In a recommendation, a parliamentary panel has asked the Centre to mandate Apple and Google to share exhaustive mandate developer identities and ownership and origin of apps they host on their respective app stores to curb financial fraud. The Standing Committee on Finance said that sharing such information with the government will empower regulators to conduct in-depth analysis. Disney Plus Hotstar to limit account sharing, similar to Netflix. After Netflix, Disney Plus Hotstar in India is reportedly making password sharing difficult for users. The streaming giant is taking steps to limit password sharing among its premium users and plans to enforce a new policy which will allow premium users to log in from only 4 devices. This move comes as a measure to address the issue of password sharing. Out of 285,000 missing phones pinned on government portal, only 20,771 recovered. The Central Equipment Identity Register of the Department of Telecommunications has traced 285,000 lost or stolen mobile phones and blocked 680,000 devices since being launched, with around 50,000 mobile phones stolen every month in the country. According to government estimates, the recoveries remain relatively low at 20,771 devices. Launched on May 16, the CEIR is a part of the DOT's Sanchar Sathi portal. As more than half of users leave app, Meta plans retention hooks for threats. Meta Platforms executives are heavily focused on boosting retention on Threads after the app lost more than half of its users in the weeks following its buzzy launch. According to CEO Mark Zuckerberg, retention of users on the text-based app was better than executives had expected, though it was not perfect. More than 100 million people signed up in the week when Threads was launched. Google delays its refreshed Find My Device network as it waits for Apple. Following Google's announcement of expanding its Find My Device network, the tech giant now says that its plan has been delayed. Apple and Google had earlier announced a joint initiative to adopt unwanted Bluetooth tracker alert standard. While Google has announced a few features, the wider functionality is still on hold until Apple implements protections for iOS. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to War India magazine. You can download the War India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.